Hey, it's Joyce. I don't know if you know this because I don't know if I knew this, but this Saturday, January 11th, is National Vision Board Day. Who knew? And so I decided to do a live online vision board class. So for all of those who may have bought my online class, I'm going to do one live. If you've ever attended my class, join me again. Because when you hear it and you interact with each other and you're able to ask questions and talk about what you want, it's fun. It's really fun. Teaching vision boards is a really fun thing for me to do. And my vision boards throughout the last, 12 years that I've had it has taken me many places and created many miracles in my life. And it's not the miracles weren't there, but it's created the receptivity of it, my ability to receive those miracles and ask. That's what it's about. So join me this Saturday, January 11th, 10 o'clock on, that's Mountain Standard Time, Arizona. And be 90 minutes. Click the link and register. And I look forward to seeing you there. It's going to be fun. So take care.